Hi, welcome to day 28 of my Surya Namaskar journey. Today we will be doing 93 Surya Namaskars. And what is today's Gyan? Mental exhaustion is higher than physical exhaustion. My mental exhaustion has already started. Even before I start doing the Surya Namaskar. Oh my God, when will this end? That is mental exhaustion. Not during the exercise or after the exercise, before. So let's talk about that more after doing the 93 Surya Namaskars. Let's get started. Start with the prayer. Om Dheyam Sada Savitra Mandala Madhyavarti Narayana Sarasija Sanasannivishta Keyurvana Makara Kundalavana Kirti Har Hiranyame Vapratita Shankachakra. First Namaskar. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last Namaskar, 93rd Namaskar, full prayer. Om Ram Reem Room Rai Rau Raham Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khaga Pushana Hiranya Garbha Marichaditya Savitra Arka Bhaskarebhyo Namo Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gratitude, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pat yourself on your back. 93 is not very easy. Okay, let me tell you something. Before I started, I was exhausted, mentally exhausted. My mind was telling me, this is going to be very difficult. Oh my God, how are you going to touch 93, 90 plus? This is not going to be easy and you're going to fall ill afterwards. Physically, I'm exhausted now. My physical exhaustion tells me, take rest. It doesn't tell me in words, but I know, take rest, do some stretches, and drink lots of water, preferably with some salt and water because I've lost a lot of sweat. Learn to differentiate between these two. Mental exhaustion makes a lot of noise in your brain and it tells you, you cannot do this, you can't do that. You will feel hungry, you will feel tired, you will feel all those physical expressions. It will bring out your mental exhaustion in words. But physical exhaustion comes after you do the exercise. You need to pay attention to it. Physically, the body communicates with you to tell you, I'm tired, give me some rest, give me some water. So learn to differentiate between these two. Thank you for being with me. See you tomorrow. Namaste.